Hello guys, it's Kelvin here once again. So today, just a quick one. I just want to teach you intervals. And the intervals I'm going to teach you is what we call the 1-6 interval, right? We have the 1-2 interval, we have the 1-3 intervals, we have the 1-5 interval, we have the 1-6 interval, right? Now we know this, right? Right? Right, so this is the 1-3 intervals. So how the intervals are being counted, or is being counted, is this. Why we call it 1-3 is because it's your do and mi, which is your 1-3. Then re fa, from your re to your fa is also 1-3, which is, if your re is your 1, then your fa will be your 3. So 1, 2, 3. Do you get it? So re fa, so 1-3, 1-3, right? So right. So that's a 1-3 interval. So we have also what we call the 1-5, which is your do so. Right, so it's your 1-5, so which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then da, which is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is where la. Do you get it? So that's how we count intervals. So your intervals are very important. You can actually use it to create grooves, even word licks actually, or riffs. So once you actually understand them and how it works, it's going to help you. Practice with a metronome, very, very important. So what I'm trying to show you today, like I said, is a 1-6 interval, right? So what I mean is do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're using our 1, 6. Do you get it? So 1-6 interval. So we're playing them on all the major scale. Do you get it? So this for our do is bam bam, do la. So just count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next one is, which is your re T. If you count from your re to your T is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you get it? So right. The next one is, which is, so yes, the third one is the mi do. I'm gonna go again. Mi do. If you count it, is mi fa sol la ti do. 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you get it? So let's start from the top. Ma ba 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 ma da. Do you get it? So again. So the next one is a fa re fa re. Right, so count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, fa re. So first one, second one, third one, fourth. You see how we're going, right? So the third one, the fifth one now is just the same pattern. Just count your 1 to 5, right? So mi, so mi, so do. Right? Try to make sure your notes are clean and clear. So you get it? 1-6, 1-6, 1-6, right? Interval. Right, so the next one is a right la fa. So let's start from the top till here now. So you get it? Again. Right. Then the last one is, which is D so. So we have a D so. What? But the idea is for us to end it here and end it your do. So D so do. You can just do depending on how you choose to end it, right? So this is what I mean. Or you end with right? Let's go again. Second one, right? The next one now. The other one actually. So you can just actually use it to create simple licks or even groove, like I said earlier, right? So what I would advise you to do is just get simple progressions, right? You can just do something like. So what I'm playing is do, do, right? Mi, then fa, fa, so, so. So let's try using the interval. This is just a simple explanation I'm just trying to give, right? You can actually use any song that is kind of funky or groovy to try it, right? So let's try the interval now using the progression. Do, 1, 3, which is mi, then fa, 4, fa, then so. So let's try intervals now. Let's go. You get it as well. So there's also just try it out. Get any song that has groove and that is kind of punchy and groovy. So you can just try it out. You can create something new with it, right? The idea is just for you to show you the patterns. You know, bass guitar works with patterns. So once you understand how the patterns works, it's going to help you learn how to navigate the whole fretboard and alternating, permutating your notes to create good riffs and licks. Is going to help you also do that, right? So that's just how it works. So this is, like I said, this is just the 1/6 interval. I actually explained how the interval works, so you can actually start the video from the beginning. If you don't understand, start again from the beginning, play it very slow. I'm sure you're going to understand it. It's very, very simple. I'm going to see you in my next video. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification to get more updates whenever I drop new videos. I'm going to see you soon.